Hello everyone. So I'm sorry I'm suffering my severe cough, my allergy and and also the sneezing my nose because I'm not feeling well because I'm very sick. And also let's pray from this one in the Cebu from this earthquake in northern Cebu, and because the houses is too damaged here, so very strongest by 6.9. So today is 5.1 by water coast in this one in this northern Cebu. So I thought southern Cebu is very safe. So it means, so my house is not damaged. So it means the house is okay. So keep safe by this one. So let's pray from this intention by this one in this Cebu. So we're here from this one in this analyze of these games in Chinese Chess League Division A. So tournament from this chess. So so I will choose up this game from this one round number 5. So so it means long game within 1 hour, 30 minutes and 30 seconds increment. So round robin, and also have a within Team China by between from this international master Lu Miaoyi aka Miao Miao versus grandmaster is Wu Yifan in China. So in this today's round number 5, in this part of this video, we have analyzed of this one in the standings after round number 5 in Chinese Chess League Division A. So white plays Miao Miao is e4, e6 Yifan French defense, d4, d5, and also captured by is called by French defense exchange variation. So these are the main lines by pushes by semi-closes pawn to e5. So decided by Miao Miao by idea by exchange variation by capture this one within pawns, and also captured, and also knight f3, knight f6, and also bishop d3. So it means book lines by these white pieces here by Miao Miao, and also c5 without defense this one the bishop. So without pawns, where they by capture this one by pawns. So how do you think idea without threats the pawns, and defense by c3 by Miao Miao, and also bishop d6 by Wu Yifan without preparing by castling king side, without castling king side by Miao Miao, without upcoming castling king side. So it means Wu Yifan castling king side, and decided Miao Miao by castling king side by these white pieces by Lu Miaoyi, castling by Hu Yifan, and also captured, bishop takes captured, and also bishop g5 with Miao Miao. Without idea by threats the targets the knights, or without bishop threats the pins the queens. So how do you put controls here by solutions, and decided Hu Yifan is pawn h6 without threats the bishop. So bishop captured or backwards, and Miao Miao decided bishop h4 backwards, and also g5 without threats the bishop. So these are a novelty by this one in these games here. So these are the old main lines here by this one is bishop to g4 or knight to c6 by old main lines by recording here. So it means g5 novelty by Hu Yifan. So without threats the bishop, and also bishop backwards g3, and also knight e4 without jumping by move by Hu Yifan. Without knights without threats the bishop, or without bishop by Miao Miao without threats the knights. So how do you controls here from this one? So it means so bishop do not capture this, bishop takes knight. So these are the pawns. Without threats this one, or without captured without queen to queen. So these are the, we need more careful here. And decided this one is knight bd2 without ready by captured by knights here, or knights without not yet ready by this one by capture the bishop. So these are the targets the knights without targets here by knights here, without captured without threats here. And decided by Hu Yifan is defense by f5 without defense the knights, and also bishop takes captured knight So it means why captured by bishop takes captured knight. So it means go back. So these are the pawns here. Or maybe without push by this one threats the without push by f4 without attacks the bishop. So without move by f4, so it means long collides by bishop. So long collides here. So it means Meow Meow decided this one bishop captured knight. So bishop takes captured knight and rook takes captured bishop by Hou Yifan. And also knight b3. So without idea by Meow Meow without attacks the bishop. So threats here. And also decided bishop backwards b6 by Hou Yifan. And also c4. So these are a marked grade bad move by Meow Meow. So the best moves there is knight to fd4. So without knight fd4, so it means without idea by move here by queen to h5, or maybe here by without move side by pawn to f3 without threats the knights, because these are the without move side this one the best moves is knight to fd4. So these are the slightly better spot from disadvantage here by whites here. So it means back there this one is c4 by Meow Meow, and also queen f6 brand x by Hou Yifan. So without threats the pawns. So without here, so the branded move this one is push to g4, threats the knights. So threatening the knights and decided here knight to fd2 without targets here. So threats the knights. So these are the controls here from this one without solutions. These are the solutions here. So back there this one is queen f6 by Hou Yifan and also captured. Queen takes captured b2. So it means, so these are the idea without queen takes captured b2. So without strongest move by Hou Yifan. So it means the one's computer this one, the best moves is pawn f2 again, pawn g2 again, g4, sorry, so it means pawn g4, sorry. So pawn g4, so pawn g4 here, so the best moves is pawn g4. So I'm sorry I got wrong notes, so it means, so without my confused by my brains here, so it means pawn g4 without threats the knights here. Sorry I got wrong my notes by this one. So I'm apologize. So I'm sorry I got wrong interpretations. So it means so pawn g4 is a best moves. Pawn g4 here. So it means queen takes captured by Hou Yifan. So it means without move side by strongest by this one. So according this one by this one in this strongest by these solutions. And also knight fd2. So without knight fd2 here, without knights. So if you capture this knight takes captured knights. So it means, so it means pawn takes captured. So if your bishop takes captured, without here, so triple attack this one. So it means without check. So if you capture this one, so rook takes captured. So rook takes, so rook takes captured and this one. So without check, so bishop takes captured. So bishop takes captured and decided king move by king h1 without queens. Threatening mating net. So threats mating nets here. So it means knight fd2 here without move side by Meow Meow, and also bishop d7 and also rook b1 threats the queens. So how do you think Hou Yifan by backwards? And queen takes captured. So that's not one backwards because strongest by captured by this queen takes pawn. So queen takes pawns here, and also bishop captured knight, pawn takes bishop, knight takes, and also bishop f5. without plannings by work by Hu Yifan, without threats the knights, or maybe bishop threats the pins the rook. So pins the rooks here. And also rook a1, good move by Miao Miao without threats the queens. And queen b2 by Hu Yifan. And also knight ec5. So it means no more by this one by threats here without defense the knights, or these are the knights defense, so cannot move by this one the bishop here. And also decided backwards by queen e5 by Hu Yifan, and also queen h5, another bad move by Miao Miao. So these are the stockfish by computer. So the best moves this one is rook a2. So without idea by move side by rook to e2, threats the queens. So it means without decided by this one rook e1. So rook e1 here without threats the queens. So next this one by battery. So idea by advantage here by this one by whites here. So good slightly advantage here. So queen h5 by Miao Miao. Oh, without threats the pawns. So threatening the pawns here, and also rook f6 without defense the pawns, and also rook ad1 without no more by this one this captured by queen takes pawn because rook defends the pawns here, and also battery rook bf8, and also rook d2, another third bad move by Miao Miao. So it means so another third bad move. So the best moves is 1h4, destroy the pawns. So without destroy the pawns here, so these are the attacks the pawns. So destroy the pawns here. So back there is rook d2 by Miao Miao, and another good move by Hu Yifan is bishop captured here. So bishop captured by c5, knight takes c5. So the first puzzle. So what do you think about this best move by Hu Yifan without great move here? So guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Queen c3, fork. Triple, so double attack this one, knights and rooks. Fork, very fork. So it means double attacks. So it means the queens without great move by Hu Yifan threats the knights and rook double attack. So it means how do you think how do you do by queen takes captured rook and queen takes knights here? And Miao Miao decided battery rook fd1. And queen takes knight. No more knights. So one knight down by Miao Miao. So 4 pieces versus 3 pieces here. And also pawn d6. Oh, without move side this one, push to d7, promotes this one by queens here. And also bishop d7 without no more by push, without blocks this one, this one the bishop by Hu Yifan here. And also king h1. So it means without king h1 and queen c4. So in accept, why don't we rook takes captured pawn, and also queen without check. So check here. So it means without kings, queen takes capture check. Oh, these are the same by 3 repetition draw. So it means be careful by this one by capture this pawn. So do not captured by rook takes captured pawn. So it means So very disciplined by this one in this chess tournaments. So very disciplined this one by respectful. And also decided by, so back there's queen c4 by Hu Yifan, and also rook d5. So it means without rook d5 here, or maybe without without idea by this one by without rook captured. So rook capture this pawn without sacrifice, and oh my god, very hurtful, painful by this one. So double die rooks and queen. So very hurting. Hurt, very hurt by painful. So it means without double attacks here. And rook takes capture, sacrifice, check. Pawn takes rook, and queen takes capture, check. And also king h7, and also rook c1. Oh, without, so it means without threats the queens. So threatening the queens here, and also rook takes captured. So do not captured by rook takes queen, without rook, without bankrupt by bankrupt the coming mating nets here. So without a coming mating nets. And also queen e7 check, and also rook 8 f7 without defense here, and also without check, queen h4 check, and also king g6 without no more by check. So cannot rook takes captured queen, so it means bankrupt witness. Oh my god, very painful. So losing by this one by Meow Meow. So I hope, I know Meow Meow was winning from this one in this tournaments here. So the score by this one by Meow Meow lowest, so it means 82.3 by Meow Meow, and the score by Hu Yifan 97.4 by highest. So the winner from this one, Grandmaster Hu Yifan. So it means congratulations. So Hu Yifan was a strongest best move by Grandmaster. So same by this one, Grandmaster Zhu Wenjun. I thought Hu Yifan and Zhu Wenjun was a battle of this one by finale here from this one. so we need to pray from this one, from this aftershock in the Cebu. So we need more pray to pray from this one in the Cebu. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of this next chess updates. So I hope we need more peace from the Cebu by safety in this one in the Cebu. So have a good day and bye bye.